As tea growers and artisans of taste adventure in tea, there's nothing we love more than to tell the story of this beautiful herb, Camellia sinensis. But what's greater is its expression. Today we had an abundance of the art of mixology, combining with tea in the launch of Elixir of Ceylon Tea in Singapore.
So with Dilmah's tea extract, you have a lot of flavour in a very extract form that you're able to use in both non-alcoholics and in cocktails.
Tea based on cocktail or mocktail or even low ABV beverages are very positive way because nowadays many customers are concerned about their health consume and also they wanted to go for very easy nights. Tea is your best choice to use for your low ABV or non-alcohol.
Bannie, Kang, Vijay Mudaliar, here at The Native, did a spectacular job bringing out the subtle characteristics, the beautiful nuances and combining respectfully respect for ingredients and the essence of mixology and gastronomy, combining it oh so respectfully to an audience of media, customers and people who just love tea. Tea in cocktails, no low, non-alcoholic and strong cocktails. It was spectacular.